Backtesting archives, episode 2. Just checking out BTC right now. Seeing what's been doing. So we've been in this range so far. Probably pulled to a few of the nice levels, down to the 618 there. Nice little level to catch it along. And if we're looking at maybe the retracements, so here we've got the point of control at the fib, rejected down to the value area low, bounced back up, took the 786, came back down. So yeah, this is basically how this method works. Didn't really explain it before, but uses these key levels. You see right here, bounced off the bottom. If I do a volume profile for that area, you're more likely to see that some form of value area low. Let me just turn the settings off. Yeah, so it's come down below the value area, but you get divergences, etc. That's what this indicator is for. So you see right here, we're coming down, we're getting that divergence, money flow is coming up. But now I'm going to do some more backtesting, probably going to do a long and a short on two different coins, maybe the same coin, see what happens really, what setups are coming. We'll go for a random coin. I don't know any coins for fee. XRP. That's been pumping nicely. Up to 81p. But yeah, we'll go down. Just like last time. Bar replay mode. Take that off. Just keep scrolling back. And see what we get here. So XRP ranges a lot, so I'm going to take these local ranges. Value area low. Get some divergences and money flows coming up. I expect maybe one more push below to this fib. We've already tested it. Let's see what the low time frames are looking like. Low time frames are looking quite nice. 1 hours. I'd expect to maybe push below this low. Value area low just here. We'll be over looking for an entry. Line up with some volume. Probably got a good box about there for a long. Shorts. See locally, but I'm not too sure. We've got the pocket of this range. If I drag that to here, it's not really lining up with any sort of volume area, but we can keep that there for now. Let's see what happens if we come down. Right, so we came down to this box here. Oh, we're too far back for 5, that's annoying. Right, I'll go on to 15. We still should see something on 15. I'll make this bottom bit a bit bigger. So we've got money flow coming up into the coin. There, make it white. Bring it to the front. To the front. So the money flow is coming up. That's this wave. We're starting to print an anchor wave, which is an anchor at the lowest point. So, for example, here's an anchor. There's a trigger wave, a trigger wave, a trigger wave. Here's an anchor. There's a trigger wave, a trigger wave. That's what these green and red dots are for. You've got RSI coming down right now, which isn't nice. I'd want to see the lower time frames, but I can't really see that right now. I think next trigger wave we get, it's a shame we really can't go to 5. We don't want to take really, I think. Unless we can see a wick below this low here, that'd be quite nice. Let me zoom in a bit more. Go that down. Yeah, so now the next green dot we get, we're looking at entries on a lower time frame, which we can't go to right now. Providing it's below that one, which right now is not looking likely. See, just here doesn't look too bad. 1 hour money flow is quite deep. 2 hour starting to head up. We are coming up over the longer term. Looking to come up here. We might push lower, so I don't look for a fast scout really. See what we can pull off. So I'm going to enter a long position. For now, our 1-to-1. To there. And see how that plays out first. Right, so 90% of my position's out there. I've got 10% left in for a runner. So that's basically, you've almost doubled whatever you've put in. We've still got some more left to run up for high prices. For higher time frame prices, we'll be looking at running up to here. And if I can pull that fib down some more. And probably here. Yeah, literally just there, that's about it. Lines up nice with the fib. So that'll be another 0.4 R, so you make about 1.3, so you have 2.3 times your money. If it reaches that, SL's at entry, or you can trade it, it's up to you. So now's not a bad time to take some profits because we're in a high volume area. There we go, straight to TP. And as you can see, we caught a decent move there. It's a shame we didn't put more in, but not all the confirmations were there. But that's the reality of trading. You can't make amazing money on every single sale. It just has to be money. And it has to be a high risk to reward per trade. Alright, so we've pushed past the short levels. So I'm going to switch onto a different coin to try and find a short. So there's two examples. Trying to think of a coin. Let me put a random letter in. Y. YGG. Never heard of it. Right, I'll go to 4 hour again. Scrolling down. Going back. Well, we're in October right now. So let me just play it for you. Wait, I want to go to, let me go out of this. So I don't want to be able to, I want to be able to do this 5-minute time frame. In August, October, December, November's here, alright. So when I went this far back last time, it didn't let me use the 5-minute. Or am I tripping? Oh no, we're good. Right, where's the price? Here. Fucking hell, it's dumping. Yeah, I could probably find a short here, can't lie. It's got a fucking history of this stuff, doesn't it? Can I use? I don't think I can use. No. Right, it's going to be hard to find a short, but we'll look for a short onto this. If we're going for the local area, we'll zoom in a bit. Had to do anything, I'm looking like that. Fib. Lining up nicely. Market cipher's got the bearish divergences, money flows coming down. 15 minutes, looking healthy, just pushed to the downside. For a 5-minute trigger wave possibly. Yeah, if we can get a 5-minute trigger wave, that'll be ideal. So basically a wave that's lower than these ones around here, with the money flow still coming red. We'll see what happens. Right, so here the momentum's coming up. We're not really at any key level. I'll draw that. That's like the area I'd expect it in. Here is likely though, there's a bit of volume here. There's actually the most volume apart from there. But it's grouped. So next red dot, I look for an entry. Right, I've got the red dot. So I'm going to look to put a short down now. Short. Above that high. So I'm going to do my TPs, which I didn't really do properly last time. At a 1 risk to reward. A 2.5. Not fucking, I've got things something saved for it. There we go, 2.5. That's just a 1, how do you know that's a 1? And looking for some sort of volume place to aim it to. Probably this point of control down here. So if you want to see what the actual TPs are, check the Discord in the description below. And you can see how much to take out of the TPs. That's going to be TP3. I'm going to leave that one as a runner. So that one gives you 6 risk to reward. 6 risk to reward. 1 risk to reward. And then when I edit it, I can tell you how much I'll make off this trade once it's completed. If it even goes there, I might go to SL. Right, now I'm just going to let this run. Zoom in. See how it goes. Straight to SL there. Let's see if we push up to that fib now. So that one's a losing trade. So right now we're only up 0.3 risk reward. Took in 1 win and 1 loss. We'll see if we can start to get some more bearish signs here. Minutes, about to cross red. View what? Hour. Money flow's coming up. It's not quite crossing yet. 4 hour. Yeah, no, I do think we are going to go down here still. I might wait for a trigger wave from this anchor to look for an entry. If we can get a red dot now, it'd be nice. Here's a red dot, nice harsh down as well. I'd like to take the same trade. The TPs are almost exact, so I'm just going to do roughly the same. Same time to just manually change them. And there's the full position. Start from here. And so this one gives us the first TPs here. So straight away hit first TP. SL's at entry now. So I'm just put the red line's going to be the SL, which we can trail over the course of the period. But this SL is only going to be 90% of the remaining position. Because what that does, that means that even if you did hit the SL afterwards, because you've already taken out 10% here, you'd still be in profits because you'd have 90% of your position left, and 90% of 90%, it's going to take out more, if that makes sense. It's a bit hard to explain, but it's just worth doing. You can always have some left in the position in case it hits the SL and goes skyrocketing down. play it on 1x. Oh shit. Let me pause that. What the fuck have I just done? Where's the indicator? My bad. There we go. Right. It's not hit that 2.5 risk to reward yet. Change this to red. So we touched entry, so 90% of the position's out now. So we made 0.1 risk to reward, and we've got 90% of the position out of what's left. So we'll see if we can run that now with the SL, the rest of it up here. Struggling to decide what I want to do right now. There we go. So the what's left here, that 10%, half of it's getting taken out here, and the other half's going to get taken out here. So 5% at a 2.5 risk to reward. And see if we can get that 6 risk to reward. It's taking a while. Let's see if we'll speed that up. There we go, just touched it there, so the rest of the position's out. You can leave 1% down in for here, but it's not really worth it at this point. You've not got much in the position. Just curious to see if it did go down to the final target. I assume it will go down there. We are breaking this level. There we go, up to the top and out. So didn't quite go down to the level, so we were good to take the rest of the position out there. It's definitely worth doing. I'll put on screen now how much we made this trade. Plus we lost 1 risk to reward and made 1.3 on the last one. So 0.3 before this trade, and whatever this is, that's the risk to reward altogether. But yeah, I'll probably post another one of these in a few days, see how it goes. Safe.